and you will have a lot of new additions that you can use from now on your favorite Pokemon Go game.
Yo YouTube, welcome back to my brand new tutorial. In today's video, I'm about to show you how we can get the only working Pokemon Go Spoofer, guys, which you can get for both iOS and Android devices. Just look at all of the new additions that you have on the left side. You can get them as well if you stick till the end of this tutorial. So let me guide you through it.
Your boy is back and ready to show you just a glimpse of the stuff that you will be getting. This is the Pokemon Go Spoofer on the Pokemon Go game, guys. And you will have a lot of new additions that you can use from now on your favorite Pokemon Go game. Everything is working like a charm in 2026. So now let me just guide you through each and every step that needs to be applied on how we can get the Pokemon Go Spoofer. Make sure to have your Wi-Fi on. Do not use any type of VPN connections, and then search for gospoofer.com. On gospoofer.com, you will scroll down just a bit and then start the injection. After that, it is so simple. You will select the platform that you will run. You just go all in. Auto walkout, cooldown timer, already selected GPS spoofing and virtual joystick, and even anti-ban shield version 2. So these are the most important stuff that you will be needing for Pokemon Go Spoofer. After that, you can add whatever you like. If you don't like, then don't add it. It is simple as that. But this is a game changer, guys. It is just like Pokemon Go just dropped, and it has been 10 years since that happened. So it is just like a new game with the Pokemon Go Spoofer that you can get for both iOS and Android devices, of course. So let's click here and proceed to the next step. So we have been redirected to it. We will have a final step right here that needs our action. And our action is needed to either complete 2 questionnaires. So you will have questionnaires, you will open them up and answer a bunch of questions, and that is how you go ahead and complete this whole thing with the questionnaires, the faster way as well. Or you can just go ahead, open up some apps from the official App Store Google Play Store. You will tap it from here, you will be redirected to the App Store Google Play Store, and you need to download, install, and open up Zap VPN. Just open it up for Zap VPN. For auto paste, you will need to start a 3-day free trial, or for MyParena, you will need to register only on it. Simple as that. You will have your Pokemon Go Spoofer by the end of it if you finish between the questionnaires or the apps. That is all. Don't forget to leave a like, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. See ya.